Have a new GE control board and not sure what a personality jumper is? This is Ryan with Parts Doctor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set the personality jumpers to ensure it works properly. Here's how to set it. A jumper is a short-length electrical conductor that is used to open or close part of an electrical circuit. When a jumper is placed over two or more pins, an electrical connection is made between them, and the equipment is instructed to activate certain functions. Since GE typically manufactures one board that works on numerous models, you'll need to make sure that you configure the personality jumpers correctly according to the provided instructions. If you do not set the personality jumpers correctly, the control board will not function properly. To set the jumpers, reference the chart on the instruction sheet and locate the first part of your model number. If our model number begins with CDT 725, we would set the jumpers to personality 0 and configure them in this orientation. First, remove all 4 jumpers. Then, start at the top and work your way down, putting them into the correct positions. If you're struggling to remove the jumpers, try using a pair of needle nose pliers to carefully lift up and remove the jumpers. If our model number starts with PDF 820, we would set the jumpers to personality 11 and reference this diagram. Once again, remove all 4 jumpers. Then, start at the top and work your way down, putting them into the correct positions. If you learned something in this video, hit that like button, and if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.